Alright guys, so like I said, I was gonna make a video of how it turned out. I got the headers installed, and while I was at it, I just decided to paint these wheel covers. Painted, sanded down my frame, and I installed. There they are. I do think they end up coming really good and nice. Here's the other side. While I was at it, I also painted my brake system. I think it came out really good. I eliminated my windshield liquid tank. I also eliminated my cruise control module. Took it all out. Took the cable from the throttle body as well. I also came and eliminated my overflow radiator tank and put a little one that is right there. Also, I took out all my AC stuff. It's still dirty, but it's gonna get really clean once I clean it. But everything else is very neat. Took my AC tank, took it all out. I took my little compressor out too. I got me an AC eliminator pulley. Once you open this hood, it's way cleaner than other trucks that I've seen here. I did everything myself, so I didn't have to pay nothing. All I did is just pay for the parts, but that's it. Guys, you guys like it, give me a thumbs up. Any questions about what I used and how I did it, go ahead and comment, and I will answer every question, guys. Again, this is a 89 Chevy Silverado with a 5.7 350 block, and she has a 5.7 drop that I also did myself, but I didn't have a video for that. What else? Well, anyways, just thumbs up if you like it.